So this is the story, The Catfish, from your book, The Cat Bandit. So I'm going to read the story. Please follow along as I read. Once I've read the story, then I will read your questions that go with the assignment. So I'm going to read the story and then I will read the questions that go with the assignment. The Catfish. Dad went fishing and got a big catfish. He left the catfish in a bucket. Then he locked the bucket in the shed. There, he said as he clicked the lock shut. This lock will stop the cat. The tempting smell of fish drifted in the wind. The cat bandit sensed that there was a fish in the shed. He went to visit. The shed was locked up, but that did not stop him. He went and got a belt. He hitched the end of the belt to the lock and tugged on it, but the lock held and the shed just sat there. The cat bandit went and got a dog. The cat and the dog tugged on the belt, but still the shed just sat there. The cat bandit went and got a pig. The cat, the dog, and the pig tugged on the belt. That did it. The shed tilted to the left. Wham! The shed fell with a crash. Then munch, munch, munch. That was the end of the catfish. Now to look at your assignment. Number 1. What did Dad do with the catfish? A. Left the catfish in a pond. B. Left the catfish in a bucket. C. Left the catfish on the shelf. I'll read it again. Number 1. What did Dad do with the catfish? A. Left the catfish on the pond. B. Left the catfish in a bucket. Or C. Left the catfish on the shelf. Number 2. What did Dad think would stop the cat bandit? A. A shelf. B. A belt. Or C. A lock. I'll read it again. What did Dad think would stop the cat bandit? A. A shelf. B. A belt. Or C. A lock. What drifted in the wind? A. The tempting smell of snack mix. B. The tempting smell of fish. C. The tempting smell of hot dog. Number 3 again. What drifted in the wind? A. The tempting smell of snack mix. B. The tempting smell of fish. Or C. The tempting smell of hot dog. Number 4. Who helped the cat bandit? Who helped the cat bandit? If you need to pause the video to look in your own book, you can certainly do that. Or if you need to pause the video to give you time to write your answer, please do that. Once again, number 4, who helped the cat bandit? Number 5, what did the cat bandit hitch to the shed? What did the cat bandit hitch to the shed? And one more time. Number 5, what did the cat bandit hitch to the shed? When you are finished, please make sure your name, date, and number is on your assignment and raise your hand and I'll be around to collect your paper.